So we've gotten back from work the other day and taken the locks off to get something out of the toolbox, left them on top and then driven off, and so we've lost the locks. This is probably the third or fourth time it's happened. Want to stop this from happening because, I mean, locks are expensive. So to fix it, we've got some bricklayer's line, some scissors, and we're just going to have to go to the shops and get a lock as well. So let's get straight to that. And a lock. We've also got some zip ties in here somewhere. Oh yeah, they're there. Zip ties. They will probably thread it through that hole and then literally tie the locks to the bracket so we never lose them again. Also, these rolls of lawn are left over from a job that we did this week. Laid some buffalo lawn. Turned out pretty nice, so yeah, we'll have to do something else with these as well. So we've got these tied here like that, nice and short. Going to be getting a couple of zip ties and then wrapping it around the lock, and hopefully we won't lose them again. Need 2 zip ties. Better figure out which way these locks open. Alright, let's whack them on. That's one. And that's 2. So hopefully there's enough string in these to close it up. Let's just close all this up. The moment of truth. And I will never lose locks again. So good. Hope you enjoyed today's quick tip, and if you did, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos all about lawn care. My name is Hayden, and I shall catch you next time.